Boom! What is up, guys? Welcome to this sweet outdoors. It is one hot sumbitch today. Just got off work. 5 o'clock. It's 5 o'clock. It is 98 degrees, and I'm not talking about the group. Woo! I tell you what. Luckily, we have cold beverage. It's just Pepsi. Anyway, the reason why you are here today is we are going to put together. We're going to stick with the tarpology stuff for a little bit. We are going to put together a full complete kit for emergency shelter. You've seen the tarp, it's got the strings, got the stakes. That's basically what comes with your tarp when you buy it. You get some stakes, you get some guidelines, some ridge lines, you get a tarp. But like we said, there are other things that can be implemented into that kit. There's no sense in looking for them. There's no sense in packing them separate. Pack it all in one bag. You have everything you need all together. So get ready. I think you're going to like this. I think it'll be pretty interesting. Stick around, guys. All right, before we get started, I hope the audio is okay. I've got a few comments about the audio. Tell me I need to get a microphone. I have a microphone. Sometimes it picks up good. Sometimes it does not. We'll do our best, guys. Bear with me. That's all I can say. Okay, let's start it off. Here's our bag that our tarp comes in. Everything that we're going to put in this kit is going to fit in this bag. That way it's one complete kit. So we're going to start with our tarp. Would not be a kit, a shelter kit without a tarp. Unless you wanted to put about 20 Mylar blankets in here and some duct tape. Maybe tape them all together and get you some kind of a makeshift shelter. And then when a bird flies by and shits on it, it's going to tear it anyway. So do yourself a favor. Go out and get you a nice quality tarp. There will be a link in the description for these items or similar. And all of this stuff is optional, guys. I told you 1,000,001 times to make it your own. Okay, this bag here, this is tent pegs. Most of these come with it, and I even threw in a couple extras. Why not? You never know what kind of configuration you're going to have to put up and what you're going to need to make it work. So there's our tent pegs, tent stakes, whatever you want to call them. This is the guidelines and your tie downs and everything that came with the kit. They're going in there as well. Okay, now it's time for bonus gear. Tarp clamps. You never know when you're going to need them. Pull that part of the tarp up, or maybe pull this side over this way. You just never know. So it's a good idea to have at least, I'd say at least 4 in your kit. Why not? Like I say, you just never know. A couple of carabiners. We can actually just attach these guys right here to the outside, and then we have them. Again, you never know. I mean, it's better to have and not need than to need and not have. You know what I mean? Okay. Extra cordage. Just cause, guys. This is going to be a tight fit. Now, you can opt for a different bag for your kit, but that'll fit pretty good. You don't have to use that kind of line. You can use bank line or whatever you want to use. I mean, I've said it a million times, make it your own. Okay, another very important piece to this. I just did a video on it, and you guys are loving it, and I'm loving you for it. Pocket guide. Pocket Field Guide for Tarp Shelters. Great little book, all kind of configurations, all kind of different knots, and different ideas to help make those classic tarp shelters. Throw that in there too. And it's also, the cover of the book is weatherproof. And I'm not sure about the pages inside. They feel, I don't know. Now, I don't think they're weatherproof. This is, you could always put this in a Ziploc bag. That way you ain't got nothing to worry about. All right. Now I have one more thing that is totally optional. You should have one with you anyway, but like I said, this is totally optional to put in your kit. And that's a decent little knife. This is the Timu knife. You saw the review. If not, check it out. It's this one right here. I'll put a link in the description to the video for this knife. But like I said, you don't have to get this knife. You don't have to put a knife in there at all. You should have a knife on your side anyway. This is just another option. Another option is fire steel. Put a nice ferro rod in there. That way, once your shelter is up, take your knife, take your ferro rod, start your fire, get warm, nice and cozy, kick back and relax. Just an idea, guys. That's all this video is to bring you a couple ideas. Maybe it's something you didn't think about. Maybe it's something that you thought about and you're looking about what should I put in it. Just trying to help out, trying to give you some ideas, guys. Do me a favor real quick. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, and that notification button. That way you are aware next time a video drops. I hope you had a great Memorial Day weekend. I had all three of my granddaughters here, so it was kind of exhausting. I love them to death, though. I love them to death. And this weekend coming, if all goes to plan, we're going to the property, guys. My brother's coming down. We're going to do some fishing, try to put another pig on the ground, and just do a little bit of relaxing. It's been a crazy couple of weeks for me. I got some major changes coming to my life and the channel, so I will keep you informed and let you know what's going on when the time is right. And I appreciate every one of you guys. It really means a lot to me to see the subscribers going up, see the views going up and everything. It's great. You guys are definitely making my dream come true. Um, if I get to quit my job and do this full time, that would be great. But if I don't, I don't. I'll still bring you videos and I'm still going to enjoy doing this, guys. With all of that, be safe. God bless. Get outside, people. Remember to stay hydrated, though. It's hot.